Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by powering the Prolink router and connecting it to your modem with an Ethernet cable. Attach a computer or laptop to the router by Ethernet or by connecting to its Wi-Fi network. Find the router IP address on the label or use 192.168.1.1 in your browser address bar. Open a modern browser and enter the IP address, then press Enter to reach the login page. If prompted for defaults, try username admin and password admin or password 1234 from the label. After loading the login page, enter your username and password to access the router settings. Try 192.168.0.1 as an alternative IP if 192.168.1.1 does not load the interface promptly. If the page does not accept credentials, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button 10 seconds. Before resetting, back up your current configuration from the maintenance or backup section of the interface. Clear your browser cache and disable VPN or proxy. Once inside, immediately change the admin password to a strong passphrase of at least 12 characters. Update the router firmware from the administration or firmware page to patch security issues. Configure wireless security to WPA2 or WPA3, set a unique SSID, and disable WPS if present. Record your new credentials in a secure password manager and keep a backup of the configuration file. If remote management is unnecessary, disable WAN administration to reduce exposure to attacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.